How to see liked videos on Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the Reels option from the bottom tab of your screen, and now in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to lead to your library. Here you will see the option for liked reels. Tap on that, and now in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view all the reels that you have liked. So this is how you can see liked videos on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.